You thought the 2008 financial crisis was bad. Think again. The banking collapse of 2023 has already seen three massive banks fall, their assets outweighing the total of all 25 banks that collapsed in 2008. And with many more banks teetering on the edge, what does this mean for your hard-earned money? Let's talk about this. First Republic Bank's recent failure should serve as a wake-up call to everyone. Despite executives assuring that the bank had enough reserves to last for months, the reality was far from it. The FDIC took over First Republic with J.P. Morgan Chase acquiring its assets and deposits. Shareholders of First Republic wiped out. Even as J.P. Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon declares, this part of the crisis is over, it's hard not to feel uneasy, to say the least. The U.S. Treasuries claim that the banking system remains sound and resilient seems very foolish, as the three banks that have collapsed in 2023 held a combined total of $532 billion in assets, with more than $526 billion held by all U.S. banks that collapsed in 2008. Let me repeat that, $532 billion this year in comparison to $526 billion in 2008. Even Warren Buffett's partner, Charlie Munger, warned of the trouble ahead for the U.S. commercial property market. He believes that the banks are packed with bad loans and will be vulnerable as property prices continue to fall in certain areas. The impending collapse of commercial real estate prices threatens to create a massive tsunami of defaults, leading to even more banks going under before the end of this year. As we witness the beginning of the largest commercial real estate crash in U.S. history, it's clear that the worst is yet to come, unfortunately. The wave of consolidation in the banking industry will leave many of us wondering if our life savings are actually safe. As the dominoes continue to fall, one must ask, how much longer can the U.S. financial system hold on before it crumbles entirely? And once again, if all these banks collapsing isn't enough to get your attention, not sure what is. But the fire alarm is definitely going off and people are racing to the exit. And of course, this exit we're referring to happens to fall in place to John Exter's pyramid, where at the very bottom of it, we know what's sitting as the foundational monetary instrument everybody's running to. Think wisely. Get your weight up. See you on the next one.